Hello sellers. In this video we will talk about what are the benefits of using FBA fulfillment by Amazon. Hi guys, my name is Manisha Singh and welcome to the e-commerce guru channel. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बेनिफिट्स ऑफ FBA के बारे में. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe this e-commerce guru channel and hit the bell icon for more videos update. So let's get started. So basically, before going with the benefits of FBA, let's talk about what is the FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Basically, FBA, also known as fulfillment by Amazon, basically it is a service that helps the Amazon sellers, to outsource the shipping to the Amazon. And with this fulfillment option, Amazon stores, pick, pack, ship, and delivers the product to the customer. Amazon also handle the customer service and returns for those orders. Let me explain this. Basically, in this process, in the fulfillment by Amazon process, Amazon will store your products, pack your products, and ship your products to the customers, to your buyers. As well as Amazon will handle all the returns and refunds or exchange thing. बेसिकली सम बिजनेसेस मैनेज द फुलफिलमेंट इन हाउस जिसको हम सेल्फ शिप भी कहते हैं while other use a service like the fulfillment by Amazon or some of a combination which is like easy ship and third party options which is effective reliable and fulfillment delights customers. Now let's talk about the what are the benefits of the fulfillment by Amazon. Number one benefit is increase your sale. Basically, if you choose the fulfillment by Amazon option, your sales will automatically increase. You will become more visible on Amazon. When you join FBA fulfillment by Amazon, your offers become more visible and more competitive on the Amazon page. And your products qualify for the more benefits like the Amazon Prime, free delivery, basically free delivery for the some eligible products and many other benefits like that, which will help you to drive your sales and make you more competitive. So definitely this benefit will help you a lot if you choose the fulfillment by Amazon. Now let's talk about the benefit from Amazon 24 into 7 customer service. Basically with FBA, Amazon acclaimed the 24 into 7 customer service which is available in the local language of all the Amazon marketplaces you are selling in. Let me explain this. Basically, Amazon offer excellent customer services and you can let them handle your customers daily. Probably one of the best thing is that they are available for the chat, email or phone call 24 into 7. Whereas you would need time to rest and sometimes need some break and the response time could lead to lost sales. So with this benefit, Amazon will handle your customer service 24 into 7, which is one of the great benefit you will get. Another benefit you will get when you choose the FBA option is sell internationally. So basically, if you choose FBA option, you can expand your business internationally to reach the millions of potential new customer and across all the Amazon European marketplaces, not just UK or just one region. You can expand your business as much as possible. You can list your inventory from one single seller account and Amazon will deliver your products to the customer throughout the Europe marketplaces. Another benefit is the seller feedback rating. So this is the great benefit you will get when you choose the FA option, which is seller feedback rating. Basically, if you will use Amazon FBA, then Amazon will take responsibility for any negative seller rating. For example, if you deliver some product to your customer and customer doesn't like that product and doesn't like the delivery services and give you negative feedback, then it will definitely impact to your account health, and which can cause the account suspend also. So basically, if you choose the every option, then Amazon will take responsibility for any negative seller ratings, and if someone give you the negative feedback, then Amazon will automatically remove that negative feedback. And this benefit will definitely impactful and will help you a lot to grow your account on the Amazon. Now let's talk about the another benefit, which is fulfill orders from the other channels. So this is the great benefit you will get when you choose the FBA option. Basically, with this benefit, FBA can fulfill your orders from other sales channels if you using your inventory stored at an Amazon fulfillment center. Even you can manage your inventory through a simple online user interface and can direct us to return the inventory at any time. Let me explain this. Basically, if you choose the fulfillment by Amazon, then Amazon fulfilled orders from the other channels as well. Means this is the most loved or amazing feature of Amazon, is that you can get Amazon fulfillment from different sales channel, and this service is called multi-channel fulfillment. Means when you automate the process by using a third party software like the multi order, etc. And Amazon will automatically receive the order from the other channel of the fulfillment. Like if you're selling from the eBay, also if you're selling from your website also, so this will help you a lot. And beside, Amazon also sends the tracking information to your customer from the other channels as well. And finally, Amazon FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, enables you to streamline the fulfillment and shipping process from various sales channels in one place only. So this is the great and very awesome benefit you will get if you choose the FBA option. Now let's talk about the another benefit you will get is the FBA holiday. So basically, what is FBA holiday? It means that if you can keep selling and you can keep sell your products even if you are on break, or even if you don't want to sell, or if you are on the holidays, because you can carry on selling even if you're on break or holiday. Because with this feature, Amazon will help you to sell your products even if you are if you want to break. So this is the great benefit you will get. Now let's talk about the another benefit, is that saves subscribe and save feature. Basically, if let's say if our product in Amazon FBA, then over some platform they are eligible for save and subscribe. This feature will help to increase the sales for regular customers by offering them discount. It means that there are some grocery products like some edible oils or pulses or rice, which which a customer, or let's say customer want to buy every month or buying every month. Like we are buying, let's say we need oil every month, we need rice or pulses or some grocery foods every month. So what we do, we through the subscribe and save option, we can it will automatically purchase from your account, and this will help you a lot. And with this feature, seller will get a lot of benefit. So of course, with FBA you will get this benefit, subscribe and save option and more. So basically, your customer and also benefit from growing assortment of other benefits such as gift wrapping and to the minute countdown for 1 day delivery also. And apart from these benefits, you will get a lot of benefits. Like, let me explain you what are the other benefits you will get. uh, Basically, you will get the fast and hassle free shoppings. Every business needs to fulfill their orders and then ship them, and as a result, you probably know the feeling of the frustrations and lack of time to manage all the things quickly. So with the FBA, you will uh, if you choose this option, you will able to deliver your product fast and hassle free shipping to your customer. Number two is that return management. By using Amazon FBA, you can transfer the stress caused by unhappy customer to Amazon. And then Amazon will handle the returns, shipping labels, and logistic, and you need to pay a fee for each return, etc. Another benefit is that unlimited storage space. When you have your own warehouse, you need to use the strategies to maintain the best order quality and use it efficiently. However, when you use Amazon FBA, they do it for you, and there are no limitations on storage and the number of products which you should have in the warehouse. So with FBA, the storage problem will automatically solve. So, these all are the benefits you will get if you choose the FA option. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment the video, and please share this video as much as you can. Uh, Also, you can find us on the all social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you have any question, you can ask us on the comment section. Even you can DM us on the Instagram or the Facebook or the LinkedIn. We are available on every social media platform. Apart from these, please like, share, and comment this video and subscribe this channel. So thank you so much, and bye bye sellers.